Nchi ya maajabu,
hakuna matata.
twapendana sote,
Hakuna matata.
tunafurahi,
Hakuna matata.
Kenya nchi nzuri,
Hakuna matata.
KeMU ni nzuri.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah.
This is our third meeting together also with Swedish Musicians Union, and I would like to ask your opinion about how it is going.
It's going very well, very insightful, very educative, informative, and the team, the participants are happy.
The Swedish union or union to union has existed for over a century. So there's a million and one things that we can learn from them. The mistakes that they had to go through, we do not have to go through them.
We have been working together for some time now, and as Swedish Musicians Union, also Federation of International Musicians. What is missing? What do you want us to do better?
I think nothing is missing. We just need to take our cooperation to the next level, so that we have more of this kind of trainings, exposing this kind of training to more musicians. The game plan is to have KeMU become a nationwide organization. So we are venturing into the other areas, outside the other cities and zones and areas of, besides Nairobi.
KeMU is going to be the first of its own kind. It's going to take up the space and fill up the vacuum which is required because of the need in the market.
Has there been an increase in the membership in the female musicians?
Yes, in fact, during these two workshops, the highest registrations were by female musicians, because the workshops were predominantly for female musicians.
KeMU is like a new baby that is just coming up. It's an answer to musicians.
Sometimes the employers, which are the hotels, they don't really understand the rights of the musicians. You can find musicians enter into agreement with establishments which are not written. Abuse of rights, musicians don't get paid.
Kenya is in third world countries, but because of the introduction of the internet, it has opened up the space so that it's being exploited more, thereby leading to people having an increased need for intellectual property law knowledge.
You find out someone may say that, oh, today I did not make money, so I can't pay you. And that was not the initial argument. Or you find there's no insurance for the musicians who perform at their establishment. If something happens, then the musician is left to, cater for his or her own medical bill. Some sexual harassment against female musicians.
Women musicians are harassed when they go to record their music. The person who's recording their music in the music studio sometimes asks for sexual favors, and because the women musicians don't have the money to pay, they are forced at times to give in to the demands of these producers.
I think it's a good platform that will help us to reach where we want to be as female musicians.
Educate the women on their rights as per the laws of Kenya, and also on human rights also.
Recognition as a group.
We want to come up with a way of fighting for the rights of the female musicians who are harassed.
Training them to know their rights,
And when we train them to know their rights, they will come out up with confidence, and they will even fight for their rights.
It has taken long for women to actually now start coming up to speak about the violation they face, but there are organizations already like Federation of Women Lawyers and other women organizations, Coalition for Violence Against Women, which now advocate for the women's rights.
Maybe Kenya needs a Me Too campaign also.
Oh yes, we do. Oh yes, like yesterday.
And hopefully KeMU will be driving force behind.
At the forefront, correct.